Do you have chronic cough, that is cough lasting more than 8 weeks? It's the most common reason we see a doctor, 35 million visits a year in the United States alone. I'm Dr. Jonathan Aviv, a practicing ear, nose, and throat doctor at ENT and Allergy Associates, speaking to you from the Voice and Swallowing Center. There are 5 steps to go through to evaluate your chronic cough. In order, go see your primary care doctor. Could this be from smoking? Could this be from blood pressure medication? Could this be something going on in the chest that a chest x-ray can detect? Find out. Once that's cleared, get your lungs evaluated. Could this be asthma or other related diseases of the lung? Once that's evaluated, get your allergies evaluated. Could this be an environmental allergy? Could this be a food allergy? Get that checked out. Once the allergies are evaluated, then get to your ear, nose, and throat doctor. There are 4 things that the ear, nose, and throat doctor are going to look at: your nose and sinus, your vocal cord area to see if you have acid reflux disease, your vocal cord area to see if you have a possible nerve injury. Once this is all evaluated and you're still coughing, go see your gastrointestinal doctor. So there are 5 basic steps: primary doctor, lungs evaluated, allergies, ear, nose, and throat related, GI related. For a downloadable version of these steps, go to entandallergy.com. Right on the home page, there's a Health and Wellness Center. Click that and you'll get your PDF.